So for my project, I did Can's Closet, a guide to more affordable fashion as my brand. And so this is my logo and just kind of the front page. Next, we're going to talk about the overview. The overview basically is that Kim Closet strives to show affordable fashion and beauty ideas to women of all ages that want to dress nice without breaking the bank. So basically just affordable fashion and showing how to find that affordable fashion. So for my persona, I created Emma Grace, and she is basically the ideal person who would be my audience. Um, she is a young millennial who just graduated college, and she's working at her first job post-college. She's a graphic designer that loves aesthetically pleasing products. She has two siblings that are older than she is, but she's already successful at making a good amount of money. Emma is also a girl who's 22 years of age. She lives in an urban apartment next to the hustle and bustle of the city. She's classy, she dresses professionally, she likes to express herself through clothes. Her passion is for aesthetically pleasing things, and that shines in her clothes and the way she presents herself. For my strategy, I really thought about how I wanted to show this brand to people. And so I created a style guide for Cam's Closet that just basically outlines what my content is and what it's going to be and what it's going to look like. It has different typographies and what typographies I'm going to use, what colors, what brand colors, what the logo is going to look like in certain places, and different content that I can post on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. And then also, I made sure I was posting every week. I wanted to post at least once a day. It didn't work as much, but I definitely posted every week, and I posted at least 4 times a week on Twitter and twice a week for Instagram. I followed a lot of other people and used hashtags to get noticed, and I definitely got a lot of people to follow me on Instagram just by following them or just liking their posts, and also same thing with Twitter. I would follow people or like their posts and they would follow me back as well. And some hashtags, I thought it was really cool. My top tweet that I got, I think was got so many impressions because of the hashtag I used, which was hashtag Chick-fil-A. So I got a lot of impressions because of that, and then I got noticed because of that. Also, another strategy I used was to mostly create all original content and not use things from Unsplash as much as I can because I just wanted it to all be original. Next is the samples of my content. The first one, it's just I created a little meme to relate to my audience a little more. The second one is just like a poll for my audience on Twitter and just to get them interactive. The third is to follow my Instagram page because I felt really just enthusiastic about my Instagram and I wanted people to follow me on there. And then the last one is a post actually on Instagram, and it's just basically telling people where to go to find a cute hat for cheap. Next is the followers report. So I gained more followers on my Instagram page for my brand than my Twitter. Twitter isn't the best platform for my brand because it doesn't show aesthetically pleasing things. I only got 29 Twitter followers and 115 Instagram followers. Some of my analytics. One of my posts reached 10,523 impressions, 5 media engagements, 2 likes, 2 profile clicks, and 1 link click. This is the post. It just says, y'all know I like fashion and beauty and whatnot. But did you know that Chick-fil-A is also my life as well? Who's with me, girls? Hashtag Chick-fil-A, hashtag fashion. And I think that got a lot of impressions just because it showed like a personalized side of me and then also the hashtags that I used. Some lessons that I learned, that information can be put out to thousands of people in like a matter of seconds, which is really interesting to me. And if you know how to brand yourself on social media correctly, you can reach out to a lot of people. I want to continue doing this for my career path now. Thank you guys.